Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to change the ID of the custom field created with MetaBox without losing data. Assuming that you have had a custom field with data input already. However, in some cases, you want to change the ID of the custom field for any reason. Then, you should not change only the ID of the field from the field group settings, since it may cause losing data in the fields. The good news is that, even when you may not see the data in the fields, they're still stored in the database. So, you should change the meta key of the field in the database to match the new ID. Let's see how to do that. Actually, we need the MetaBox plugin only for this practice. Since you have had custom fields on your site already, you obviously have the MetaBox as well. In addition, I will create the field from scratch for illustration. You can have a clear overview. So I have the MetaBox Builder to create and manage fields visually. It's an extension of MetaBox and available in the MetaBox All-in-One. Of course, you might want to use some advanced features from other MetaBox extensions, so you also might have them on your site. Also, you need permission to access the database to check and see the changes in the data table. Let's start now. I will add some basic custom fields for illustration purposes. Don't forget to move to the Settings tab to set the location for the fields. This is the current ID of the field. After inputting data to the field in some posts, also for illustration purposes, I will take action to change this ID. Now, input data to the field in the post editor. Go to the field group to change the ID of the field. Just rename the ID. Then, go to a post. You will see that all the data that you input to the field is missing. The field in all the posts is blank. If you simply change the ID in this way, you must re-enter the data to each post. At the same time, the data still is in the database. Normally, the data saved in a custom field will be stored in the database with the meta key as the ID of the field. As you can see here, in the WP post meta table, this is the data that I input to the field. This is the ID from the initial when I created the field. Although I changed the ID of the field, it doesn't affect the meta key on this table. So, to change the field ID without losing data, you should change this meta key as well. We can do it easily using SQL query in the phpMyAdmin, or in the theme file. If you have permission to access the phpMyAdmin, go to the SQL section of the table where you stored the data. Run this query. Then, back to the table and do a check. The meta key now is the new ID of the field. In another way, you can add code to the theme file. Notice that, if you change the theme someday, this will affect your data. If you can check the data table in the phpMyAdmin now, you also will see the meta key change. Now, go to any post where the field is. You will see the data go back. That's the way we have the data remaining intact when changing the field ID. We hope this tutorial can help you save time when changing field IDs without losing data. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more tips, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.